फर्मेंटेशन। तो फर्मेंटेशन क्या है? क्या ये मैजिकल फॉर्मूला है कोई? क्या इसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है बॉडी पर? इसके बारे में कुछ बात कीजिए मैम।
Definitely. So it's more of like in the food we have classified into four categories: what you can buy, what you can prep, how you can cook in terms of healthy cooking techniques, and how you can grow your own microgreens or these organic kitchen, and how you can eat mindful eating. So in this spectrum, fermentation falls in how you can prep, what all you can do in your food to increase its nutritional value in terms of micronutrient density or probiotic content, multiple things. So when we are fermenting, most common fermenting which we do, at least in Indian or South Indian,
हाँ, इंडियन
is
हाउसहोल्ड्स में जो हम करते हैं,
करते हैं तो ये दही कर्ड
दही
का है.
बनाते हैं, हाँ।
So milk is converted into dahi.
हुँ,
There is evidence to show in milk what we look at, IGF, which is insulin like growth factor, which is what kind of stimulates the growth in the uh, mammal, which is baby mammal, which is supposed to drink it like a calf, right? And concentrations of that is decreased, and the probiotic effect, the good bacteria. So what happens in the gut is there is a healthy and a non-healthy, eubiotic and a dysbiotic type of bacteria, which is why we call it that is some are good, they are our friends, they help us
हाँ, जैसे
thrive better.
लैक्टोबैसिलस हम देखते हैं
Yeah,
तो
lacto, many species, yeah,
हाँ,
absolutely. Lacto is one of the very common ones, and many dysbiotic also. So this kind of picture can be supported or boosted by fermentation foods. The bacteria which ferments is the species. So when we are consuming that, it automatically goes and inoculates the gut, and that kind of gives us a positive gut microbial system. That is why fermenting is very important, and not just curds. We are doing it with एक गंजी जो बनाते हैं केरला में,
कांजी
राइस
कांजी
गांजी बनाते हैं,
और राइस के साथ या
और दोनों के साथ. So it's a fermenting process.
हुँ,
What you're doing is you're letting it sit overnight or
letting it
for
सिट।
some time,
हुँ,
where you're giving the time for the good bacteria to do
टू
its work,
मल्टीप्लाई या
and you're changing the basic composition of the thing as well. Mainly what we are looking at is that good bacteria is growing in numbers there. And in Delhi also, I think there's Delhi red carrots are very, they make a
हाँ,
beetroot
उसकी
kanji.
कांजी कांजी
कांजी
बनती है या
कांजी बनाते हैं. केरला में राइस गंजी, रेड राइस का गंजी बनाता है. तो ये सब साउथ इंडिया में तो ऑल दिस इडली, ऑल दिस
इडली
बैटर्स,
सब कुछ ही
all
फर्मेंटेड है।
batters is fermented. If you look at it globally, sauerkraut, which is like a German kind of cabbage, they fermented cabbage. You do, and in China they do what is called kimchi, which is
हाँ,
again
किमची सैलेड
it's
या
they have a little bit of fermentation happening there, and breads also, sour bread,
आजकल सारडो ब्रेड कितनी इन है।
sourdough bread. So what is sourdough bread? It is a naturally occurring bacteria. You're not adding additional naturally occurring yeast, not bacteria. So you're not adding any store bought or a processed yeast capsules into that. It's naturally occurring. It takes longer, and it has shown that it. So what is this gut microbiome, right? It is like a forest of all these bugs in the so what you're giving is like seeds. You're just putting in the right thing, so they gel with each other. We call permaculture for this is like a good permaculture happening inside our own gut. So there is so much more research to come on this. If you go and look upon NASA webpage, also this whole concept of omics, which is coming up big time now, is going to give out a lot more research in the next few
ये
years.
ओमिक्स क्या चीज़ है मैम?
Omics is with the last 5 or 10 years, there are groups of clusters of data in terms of genomics. We know a lot more about genes. We know a lot more of metabolomics. So these bacteria, whatever is happening in the body, the metabolites, we have no more pathways, and we can have more detailed testing for that, which can help us. Like there's many omics are there, transcriptomics, this is the omics spectrum, and we can use that information to help our patients better. So all this is coming, and this kind of falls a little bit in the functional medicine space. I'm also trained and certified in that. And the foundation of functional medicine is lifestyle medicine, which are all the 6 pillars I just spoke about. So for gut health particularly, fermentation is very healthy and a cooking technique everybody should be aware of and try to practice it. Even kombuchas are becoming very
वो जो
popular.
kombucha जो टी होती है.
Kombucha is more like a fruit fermented drink.
Okay.
It's like almost like a carbonated drink.
हाँ.
Coke जो भी हम carbonated, it has a little stiff taste, and that but it's a probiotic. It's a fermented
तो इसको क्या
drink.
हम घर में भी फर्मेंट कर सकते हैं मैम?
You should be very careful. You have to be very careful. You should know the process. But simple Ganji is taken a couple of steps further is kombucha, which can be also used, I think.
तो मैम ये जो हमारी एंशियंट फूड प्रैक्टिसेस रही हैं इंडिया में, साउथ इंडिया में, तो वो तो मुझे लग रहा है कि ऑलरेडी ही वो फ्रेंडली थी, गट फ्रेंडली प्रैक्टिसेस थी हमारी, कि आप कर्ड राइस खाइए और आप कंजी लीजिए. सो बहुत गट फ्रेंडली प्रैक्टिसेस हमारी थी जो कि हमने बीच में हम भूल गए. देन वी फेल प्रे टू लाइफस्टाइल डिसीजेस, एंड नाउ इट्स लाइक वी आर कमिंग बैक होम. जो हमारे पास ज्ञान शुरू से ही था वो हमने कहीं खो दिया था, अब हम उसकी तरफ दोबारा बढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ कदम उठा रहे हैं. तो ये तो एक बहुत अच्छी मूव है.